Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to build a medium house in Minecraft. First, find a suitable, flat location for your home. Next, gather your basic building blocks such as wood planks, cobblestone, and dirt. Consider a generous footprint, perhaps a 10 by 10 block area, to ensure enough interior space. This initial planning saves time and effort later on, setting a strong foundation for your creative build. Now, let's raise those walls. Build them at least 3 blocks high to give your interior a spacious feel. Don't forget to leave openings for windows. Glass panes work perfectly for letting in sunlight. For the roof, a simple flat design or a classic A-frame using stairs will protect your home from the elements and add character. Ensure your roof overhangs slightly for a finished look. With the structure complete, it's time to make your house a home. Install a door for easy access and security. Illuminate your interior brightly using torches or glowstone to prevent hostile mobs from spawning inside. Craft vital furniture such as a comfortable bed, a functional crafting table, and a useful furnace. These additions make your house practical and comfortable for everyday survival. Finally, let's enhance your home's curb appeal and security. Lay down a charming pathway leading to your front door using cobblestone or dirt. Surround your house with lush trees and colorful flowers to create a welcoming atmosphere. Consider adding a protective fence or a low wall around your property. These exterior details truly complete your medium-sized Minecraft house, making it both beautiful and safe.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.